Hi, guys.
No. I hope he puts that on Facebook.
Is it paused?
I think it's still going.
Is it still recording?
I think so.
Hey, we're still recording.
It's gonna hurt my shoulder, watch.
Okay, here, you record. I'll throw pigeons.
And watch Shaggy miss. Yeah, watch me miss. Watch me hurt my shoulder.
He's only shot. What did you do? By 100 rounds?
Yeah. We've gone through them all.
You shot 100 rounds? That's not too bad.
Oh.
Ooh,
Smoked it.
Good he is.
I bet he put the BB on the.
He put the BB on the birdie.
Oh.
Oh, that one went farther than I could.
Huh? Uh-oh.
Oh. Just hit it with your foot.
But I can't.
Hit it with your foot.
I don't dare. Fucking shrink.
You ruined my video.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Don't do that. You're on camera still.
Oh.
You're going to have to edit that part out now. Honey badger don't care.
The honey badger don't give a shit.
Do something tough.
Wasn't very tough.
That wasn't very tough.
Ready?
Pull. Honey badger don't give a shit. Pull.
Oh, you even missed on camera.
Pull. Pull. I guess I should have aimed that one. Last one.
His arm's sore.
Oh, I'm out of bullets. Pull.
More that time than you missed any other time. Even when you first started.
Oh.